Have you ever noticed feeling a little off around the full moon, or heard that the moon phases might impact your mood or sleep? Today, we are diving into the fascinating topic of how the moon cycle might affect our health. Is there any science behind it, or it is just a myth? Let us take a closer look at what research has to say about the moon's influence on our minds and bodies. First, let us talk about the moon cycle itself. The moon goes through different phases: new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, full moon, and so on, every 29.5 days. These phases affect natural phenomena from ocean tides to animal behavior. But does it actually impact human health? There has been a lot of curiosity over the years about how these phases might influence our mood, sleep, and even physical health. So let us take a look at the research. One of the most studied aspects of the moon influence on human is its effect on sleep, especially around the full moon. Some studies have found that people tend to sleep less deeply and for shorter durations during the full moon. One study from the journal Current Biology showed that during a full moon, melatonin levels, a hormone that regulates sleep, decreases slightly, which may explain lighter or shorter sleep. However, not all studies agree on this effect, so it is still debated. Some researchers argue that cultural beliefs about the full moon might play a role, making people expect poorer sleep, which becomes a self fulfilling prophecy. Next, let us talk about mood. The idea that full moon impacts mood has been around for centuries, with some claiming that it causes heightened emotions, irritability, or even aggression. Interestingly, there is limited scientific support for this, and studies have consistently found a strong link between moon phases and mood. In fact, a review of studies on this topic concluded that while mood shifts are common, they can't be reliably connected to the lunar cycle. So, if you are feeling a bit moody around the full moon, it might just be a coincidence or possibly a little extra stress from that lighter sleep. One area where the moon cycle seems to intersect with human health is the menstrual cycle, which has a similar length around 29 days. Some believe that the phases of moon might influence menstrual cycles, but studies have not shown a consistent pattern linking the two. That said, some people find it meaningful to align their cycle with the moon phases as a form of self awareness. Even though science hasn't confirmed a direct link, beyond this, there is no evidence that moon phases affect things like blood pressure, heart rate, or immunity. So, why do so many people believe the moon impacts health? Part of it could be psychological. The moon is a visible, powerful natural force that have been tracking for thousands of years. Plus, its effect on tides and animal behavior make it seem likely that it would influence humans too. Additionally, cultural beliefs and myths passed down through generations may play a big role in our perception of the moon's power over us. For many, the moon serves as tool for mindfulness, a way to check in on how you are feeling at different times of the month. So what is the verdict? The moon may have minor effects on our sleep patterns, particularly around the full moon, but the overall influence on human health is still up for debate. While there is a little evidence linking the moon to major physical or emotional changes, the idea of tracking moon phases can be a valuable reminder for self care and reflection. If you find that you feel different around certain phases, try using it as a way to be more mindful and tune into your body. Science may not have all the answers, but the moon's beauty and mystery have always fascinated us, and it is a wonderful reminder to slow down and observe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring the mysteries of the moon with me, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more health and wellness insights, and let me know in the comments, do you think the moon cycle affects you? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking up.